this video, we will be learning the Angular lazy loading feature module in our application. So by default, the modules are eagerly loaded, and let us see how we can make the module loaded in a lazy format. Let us first of all create a feature module. So we can see there is a student module has been created with routing file as it is. So now we can see the path for the student module has been created. Now let us comment this line for time being. And we are adding the student component over here. Let us create one more path for student. Now we can see the student tab over here. And this component is loading successfully. Now let us delete this path and go to our network tab. When we are making the request, we can see all the files has been coming and all the resources, and it is finishing in 985 millisecond. And when I am going to student tab just to open the student module, let's see what will happen. I am just clearing out all the network. So we can see there is nothing that has been requested. What if I am adding an image? Now in our network tab, this image is also coming. Now from the very starting, when I am loading this application, then these are the requests that has been coming. And when I am clicking on student, then let's see what will happen. Only the request for this image has been gone. Now what if our module is going to load lazily, not eagerly. Let me just comment this component and say we are giving the path student for this student module. Now let's see what will happen. From the very starting, when I am coming to the application, so these are the requests that has been coming, and when I am clicking on student, then the student module will be loaded. Now we can see the request for the module has been gone and this module has been loaded. So in this way your application will be very fast on the very starting when you start the application. And when the things that are required, suppose that I don't want to click on this tab in the journey of my application while accessing this complete app, so this is become unusable, but this module has been loaded. But with the help of lazy loading feature module, we can make this module lazily loading and when required. So you can see when we were not loading the children in this format, then this module was loaded on the very starting, but when we have given in this format, then this module has been loaded on demand. So this is how we can work with lazy loading module feature in our Angular application. Thank you so much.